Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a Tiger King look from the popular Netflix show. No cats were harmed in the making of this video. Apply a fake mustache or grow one yourself. Pick the right outfit, there are several to choose from. First I started with a Ben Nye Olive Tan Cream Foundation. Apply with a makeup sponge evenly. Cover the ears, neck, eyelids to simulate that golden Florida tan. Next, apply your highlight to all the high points on your face. I use the Fairest Beige from the Nye Essential HD palette. Brush the makeup above your smile lines and on the bridge of the nose, blending into the foundation. Follow the contour of the eye sockets as well. Scrunch your eyes and apply to the crow's feet, only on the high wrinkles, blending as needed. Scrunch your brow and line that as well. Purse your lips and apply for a chapped effect. Use the flat part of a sponge to cover more surface area and ensure only the high points are covered. Now apply shadows to create an appearance of age lines. I used Espresso from the same Ben Nye palette. This time we're lining all the deep creases, the eye socket, creases, crow's feet, and blending into the foundation as needed. Line along the nostrils, along the bridge of the nose, in the brow wrinkles, get mad. Wrinkle your forehead and line these as well. Add your essential Joe Exotic piercings and 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe for more tutorials. Follow me on TikTok as well.